Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó playing football. Let's draw Pocoyó. I start with Pocoyó's eyes. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I draw his head. He is wearing a hat. Now I draw his body, his arms, then his legs. Let's draw a soccer ball here. He is kicking the ball. I also draw a soccer goal into the background. Wow, it looks great! Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to color Pocoyó's skin with this cream marker. Then I use light red for his mouth. His outfit is blue, so I am going to color his hat with this blue marker. I add some yellow for his zipper. I use orange for the frame of the soccer goal. I color the ground green like grass. Finally, I add some light blue into the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.